In this exercise, we'll be having a look at the B-Flat Melodic Minor, still the relative minor of the D-Flat Major Scale. And we need to remember we're going to have 5 flats again: B-Flat, E-Flat, A-Flat, D-Flat, and G-Flat. But with an exception, since this is the melodic scale, when we ascend, the 6th and 7th degrees are raised, meaning that we won't be playing G-Flat and A-Flat, but G natural and A natural. And then when we descend, we will be playing all the keys, or all the accidentals. That will include G-Flat and A-Flat. Now remember to like the video, leave a comment, subscribe, hit that bell notification. This is a very, very good series in learning and teaching yourself how to play the scales. Let's start with 1 octave, right, left, hands together. For the right hand, we'll be starting on the B flat again, 2nd finger. We're going to play up to F. Now, we won't be playing the G flat or the A flat, so we'll be just doing 2nd and 3rd, and then the 4th on B flat. A little bit of an F major part there. And then we're going to come back down by playing all our accidentals. For the left hand, we'll be starting on the B flat, 2nd finger. 4th is going to go over, but this time to G. And then we're going to climb up and play all the accidentals. Doing this hands together. 4 to G. Now, every black key, 5 on F. And there we have the scale 1 octave. For 2 octaves, we'll be copying the fingering as well as the notes we need to play, remembering how ascending and descending work for the melodic scale. Right hand first, starting on B flat. Returning with every single black key. For the left hand, starting on B flat again, 2nd finger, G and A, now G flat and A flat, doing hands together. Really easy one to do. Hanon wants us to play this 4 octaves with a repeat, starting nice and low. Moving on to the cadence. The cadence is exactly the same as with the harmonic, starting with our 2nd fingers on B flat, coming up with the left hand to E flat, playing C, G flat and B flat, then F, D flat, F and B flat, then all the way down an octave in the left, while the right hand is going to move A flat, E flat, F and C, and finally we're going to go back to B flat. And we're going to have a nice big stretch in the middle here between the 2nd and 3rd for our final chord. And there we have the cadence for the B-Flat Melodic Minor as well. Thanks again for watching, and stay tuned for the next scale video.